Hey, what's going on, fellas? So this video is a follow-up to a video that I did, I believe it was last month, where I was talking about socks for the fit man. If you're a fit guy and you have huge calf muscles, you may have an issue trying to keep those socks up. So I made a couple suggestions in that video. One being, wearing shirt stays. Not only do they keep your shirts tucked in, but it keeps your socks up as well. But the main focus of that was over the calf socks. And I also made the suggestion of going to your local uniform store where they sell uniform for law enforcement and the military, and they sell over the calf socks. You guys have also suggested down in the comments to check out was Nordstrom's, Fort Belvedere, and I am definitely gonna check those out. But the one company that I really wanted to talk about in that video was a company out in Turkey. I believe they're called Viccel. I had ordered a pair of socks from them, but they didn't come in time for that video. They just came in, and these are the socks. So let's talk about these socks. The thing I love about this website is that they speak to where I am right now on my sartorial journey. When I first started out, I was into buying crazy stuff, including my socks. I wanted my socks to be big and bold, crazy pattern, crazy colors. I wanted my socks to make a statement. But I feel like I've outgrown that stage. A couple weeks ago, I pretty much purged my wardrobe, and now I want my wardrobe to be more refined, including my socks. So that means from now on, I'm getting plain socks, very conservative, very simple, and this company offers that. The patterns on there are very limited. But the one that I chose was this bicolor, like a two-tone socks, and I just thought it was unique. I've never seen socks like this before. This particular one that I got was the dark navy blue brown shadow over the calf socks. They are 90% Egyptian cotton and 3% elastane. So not only will it feel good on your feet, it will stretch well over those calves. The company is based out of Turkey. That's why it took so long for it to come. Like I said, they're over the calf, meaning they damn near hit your knee. And they are very, very comfortable socks, mainly because they were made with a 200 needle count machine. I find that interesting because socks are made with either a 120, a 144, 168, 200 or 200 plus needle count machine. And it seems like the lower count needles, like the 120, the 144, 168, those are the socks that you would wear with your sneakers, so they feel a little bit more thicker. When you start getting to the 200 needle count range, you start getting to the more lighter, more light, luxurious, if you will, type of socks. I have a sock right here. This is one of my socks that I used to wear a lot. If you just feel the difference, like this is probably made with a 168 needle count, while this is made with a 200 needle count. And I wish y'all could feel the difference. This is a whole lot thicker than this. So I feel like with your dress socks now, that's something that one should pay attention to, the needle count that was used to make these socks. And boy, take a look at these socks. They really are over the calf socks, right? Pretty cool. I didn't see much people talking about this company, and to be honest, I would not have known about them if my sartorial buddy had not mentioned it, but I'm glad that he did, and I hope to bring that to your attention as well if you haven't heard about them. Price range, you're looking at 17 bucks, which is, decent, it's fair, compared to like a Fort Belvedere, which is very expensive. But, compared to like a Nordstrom over the calf socks, which range between 12 to 17 bucks, I think it's fair, okay? They stay on all day. I tried them for a while and they stayed on all day. I am a believer of it. And yeah, I love these socks. So I only got one pair because I wasn't too sure how well they were gonna fit. But now that I do have a pair, I am gonna go back and get me a few more pairs of socks. So yeah, I just wanna make this quick video just to bring you guys attention to these pairs of socks. If you're in the market for some over the calf socks, there is this company called, and I'm butchering the name, I know I am, Viccel. I'm gonna link it down in the description below so y'all can check it out. But thank you for joining me this midweek. I will see you this weekend. I'm gonna drop another review, and until then, stay fly, stay fit.